So today I want to make a pot roast, but I don't have 8 hours to cook that thing in a slow cooker. So I'm gonna try this Instant Pot, and it's a pressure cooker, which I'm not very experienced with, but the directions seem super simple. So let's go. I'm taking the sweater off, there's a lot in here. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and it's got this bowl. I'll show you completely. It's got that bowl, you've got dials, it's got this lid. On the lid, there's this thing here. So it says sealing and it says venting. So when you're cooking, it's here, and when it's not cooking, it's here. But I'm probably going to be doing this with a wooden spoon because I don't want to get burned. Now, when it's super hot, you see this button here, it will be pushed all the way to the top like this. And then when you vent it, slowly the pressure will release and it will go in, and that's when you know it's safe to open it. Open and close on here, and if you just keep turning this to the right, it eventually sits. Otherwise, it just kind of won't fit. And then that's closed and that's open. So it says that I need to pick Sautee. And then once this thing says it's hot here, then I can saute the beef. All right, so now this says hot and we can saute the beef. Drizzle with a little bit of olive oil. Seared on both sides, you're gonna add a cup and a half of tomato paste. So that's about right there. Here's stew seasoning. That over the whole top. I'm gonna replace the lid. So that's back on. I've already pre-washed the potatoes and the mushrooms, and I've got way more mushrooms than potatoes because I'm trying to cut back on these. I love potatoes, but they're like my kryptonite. Let's go ahead and get our vegetables in here. Oh, put this back on. So we're going back to pressure cooker, and this looks so good and smells delicious. Now make yourself a little plate. I'm serving mine over rice, and enjoy.